Kamal, good morning. You asked me to put a quick video together for some of the points we went through the other day for our demo. The creation of staff, you had locations and different types of events. That can all be done from the data menu. So we can see at the moment we have no customer XYZ, so we'll add a new customer called XYZ Limited. And we'll click save and close, and we can now, it's just saying I've not joined this customer to any particular group, so this is a customer. So now we can see this new customer we can start planning work for. You also add locations or areas, so you can also add resources. So for example, we'll add a new one called XYZ Location 1. That can be a member of any other group, so we can also make that a member of the locations group. By ticking this smaller box here, we can also join this to customer XYZ. So when we come to booking any work, we can have different locations for different customers. You also want to see how you could add overtime and allocate different costs to different events. So I'm going to add a new event for John. And rather than it being a full day long, I'm going to make it 7 hours long. And this is just a test. We're going to utilise the custom field 1 and custom field 2 for the standard hours and overtime hours. And I've added to the software a rule that calculates this automatically for you. So this 7-hour event, as soon as we click save, the software automatically populates these two boxes with standard hours and overtime hours over 10 hours. So if I increase the event duration to 10 hours and press save, we can see 10 hours. And if I increase it to 12 hours and press save, we can see this is 10 standard hours and 2 overtime hours. So it's calculated automatically for us when we press save. So you can then utilise them in any reports that you wish to create. And I've also created a very simple custom report for you. So if you click print, text report, and here's an hours report. See how it is. It just gives the resource or the staff member some event information, and then the fields, the information from custom field 1 and 2. So we click open. But first thing I want to do actually is, rather than printing all the customer information on the filter, and say I just want to report on these staff members. Now I can click print, choose this new report, and click create. It will open in Excel. And here we can see the event for John, the start and end, the standard hours, the overtime hours, and the total hours. So any new events you create, if we had a new event for John, I'll just copy this one, paste it in the following day. We'll make a change to this event, and we'll make this 15 hours long. We'll click save and close, print a new report, and now we should see Excel open and show us 2 events for John, and the overtime hours and the total hours. So you can use these to obviously customize and create reports, invoices, pay slips if that's something you wish, or just information that you use to calculate on other devices. You asked a question about the rules, whether they can be customized and changed. Yeah, from tools and options, events. The rules that we've added are just in this section here, so they can be customized, and if you decide that it's any hours under or over 12 hours rather than 10, then certain values can be changed. This is a small area where we add the codes for you, and I can email you them over, so that's no problem. Again, when booking events, you can drag and drop directly in somebody's calendar, or you can click the add event icon on the toolbar. We can type some details. We know when the event starts and ends, but the most important is what resources do we want to allocate to this event. So I can choose Megan. It's for customer XYZ, and I can expand XYZ and see all their locations. So by choosing location 1, it also picks that customer, and they're going to do a particular staff meeting. So I'm also choosing that as a resource. I press save. The software automatically populates these 2 fields with the standard and overtime hours. Obviously this event's 24 hours long. Fields as well, which I can cover at a point in the future. We click close, and the new event is now in Megan's calendar, which we can drag and drop and move to any new position. Test event in the report. print. And again it will open in Excel, and we're now looking for this 24-hour event in Megan's calendar called test, or with a title test. I'll just expand some of these, and here we can see this appointment that we've added: 10 standard hours, 14 overtime hours, a total of 24 hours. I hope this quick overview helps, but please let me know if there's any questions, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.